In these unprecedented times, many of us are realizing the importance of passive income, which is basically having your money work for you. Money you make while you sleep. Money you make without having to actively work for it. Blissful, isn't it? Hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. My name is Artsy. Let's get into it. How to make passive income. There are many ways to earn passive income, but today we are focusing on one way: investing in stocks. What is a stock? A stock represents a share or ownership in a company. The end goal of owning stocks is, of course, earning income and profit, which can be in the form of dividends and/or capital gains. Dividends are a portion of the profits made by the company. Some companies may pay dividends every quarter, some, however, may pay once a year. Dividend payments are one incentive to owning stocks. The other is capital growth or gain. This is when you, as an investor, sell your stocks for more than its purchase price, thereby earning a profit. But in order to start the process, you need to open an investment account with a brokerage firm. Here is a list of some of the brokerage firms in Jamaica. How do you open an investment account in Jamaica? Step 1. To open an investment account is somewhat similar to opening a savings account, in the sense that you need pretty much the same documents. Typically, you will need a government ID, TRN, proof of address, proof of income, and 2 references. If you live abroad, you will need your documents certified by a notary public. In addition, you will need to provide the tax registration number for the country in which you reside. For example, Social Security number if you live in the US. Unlike a savings account, you will have a conversation with your investment advisor to ascertain your ability to bear risk, your goals and objectives, and a number of other indicators that helps them to better understand you and what type of investments would be suitable for you. Step 2. Once the account is opened, you will need to make a deposit into the account. The minimum amount to open an account is dependent on the broker that you choose. Step 3. If you open the account for the purpose of buying stocks, then you will receive a Jamaica Central Securities Depository number, often referred to as JCSD. It basically registers a stock in your name under that account, and you use this number when selling or purchasing stocks. Step 4. You can purchase stocks through your investment advisor. However, depending on the brokerage firm you choose, you can also do it online. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has an online trading platform called Jtraderpro, and NCB has GOIPO. Today, we are going to go through the process of setting up an account on Jtraderpro. So the first thing you're going to do is hit sign up and start your registration process. Input your personal information, full name and email address. Click Continue. Next page is for your full address, telephone number, tax information, and date of birth. Third page is where you create your username and password. You are also prompted to create 3 security questions and their answers. When you click Continue, the next page will show a summary of the information you just entered. You can click Print Screen and save it as a reminder. Tick the box at the bottom of the screen to confirm that the information provided is correct. You will then be brought to the final page, where you will read the terms and conditions and then click Agree and Submit. It's that easy. So the first thing you're going to do once you're finished with this video is to find a brokerage firm, give them a call, and set an appointment with an investment advisor. It's always best to set an appointment rather than just showing up because it helps the process to move faster. And when you give them a call, you are going to confirm all the documentation that you need to get started. Please share in the comment section what type of follow-up video you would like me to do on this topic. Hi Sunshine. So I did a community poll a few days ago to see how many persons would be interested in opening an investment account in Jamaica. About 23 of my viewers responded to that poll. So currently it's at 65% saying yes, 9% saying no, and 26% saying maybe. So that is why I did this video. I was hoping for more of my subscribers or viewers to take part in the poll, but I'm not sure how many of you are actually seeing my community tab posts. If you're not seeing them, you can always go to my channel homepage and click on community tab to see all the posts that I have there. Currently, I have 2 polls going on. One is to see what type of videos that you would like to see from me, and the other is about the investment accounts. I also seek feedback from you on what type of videos, what type of thumbnail, and what type of titles you would be interested in clicking on or me doing. All right, so look out for those. And thank you to the persons who voted.